Hey guys, Guy Sci, and today I'm going to show you how to get your teacher account on TinkerCAD set up so you can import classes and start doing some activities. This is going to be the super short version, so if you're looking for a full tutorial, how you can use it, how you can, engage lessons, steal lessons from other places, then go ahead and check that link out right up there. That's a full one. This is going to be the quick one. Let's go. All right, step one, we're going to TinkerCAD.com. You can see I'm already there. Basically, what I'm going to do is just hit join now if I don't have an account. So you can click Educators, start right here. You're going to hit continue and certify that you're a teacher, hit I agree, and then either sign in with Google or with your email account. Hit sign in with Google, it's going to bring up your account. Okay, and I'm in. All right, I already had an account. You can see I have my profile set up. Up here, I'm going to click my picture, which you don't have one, and you're going to go down to profile. Once your profile, make sure this says teacher. If it doesn't, you're not going to get this right up here, which says classes. All right, so once you get there, click classes, create a new class, fill out the information. Once you're in a class, you're just going to hit activities, new activity. You can see I got one right there. When you do, fill out the information. And then in your activity, once you're there, you just have to click on create a new design. Create a new design. You want a 3D design, and you're ready to go. Okay, so now you're ready to create a design that would then be shared where every student gets a copy with the students in your class. So how do you get your students in the class? Let's go back and I'll show you that. Okay, so I'm back in my classes. I'm going to click on it, and then as soon as I do, right here, class code, you just click copy that, send it out through whatever LMS you use, and that'll get your students right in, and then they can just go ahead and get started. Again, guys, I hope that was super helpful. And if you're looking for the full tutorial, watch on how I use it to make a balloon-powered car that I stole from another website, and I imported that out to my students so they could design sort of like a Pinewood Derby on steroids in plastic for the modern age. So if you want to check that out, it's in the full video right there. Hey, go kick some class, and I'll check you next time.